What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1970 Chevelle. Really nice car. SS badges. It's got an LS5 454 under the hood. It's been rebuilt. Runs great. HEI ignition. Other than that, it sounds like it's got a little cam in it. There's your trim tag. I mean, the thing runs great. Doors open beautifully. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood knob-to-knob radio over there. Pretty standard Chevelle 454 SS. In the interior here, console, SS gauges. The interior's in overall pretty good shape. Seats are nice. The dash, it's got a few blemishes. Other than that, really nice. Dash pad's clean. One hole in the headliner right there. Other than that, really clean. On the interior and in great shape. Doors close beautifully. Let's move on to the trunk of the car. Pretty standard back here. The trunk floor is solid. Completely. Overall, the car is in really good shape. The paint shines beautifully. The body lines up great. The chrome is in great shape. Dual exhaust. Let's get underneath there. Nice 12-bolt rear end. Chevelle SS wheels. Of course, standard 14-inch. Really nice. Red paint, cranberry red, black stripe, Cowl induction hood with the flapper. This car was taken care of. And you can tell it's been restored at one point for the most part because it is very clean. I have underneath photos on the website. Nice bumper guards on there. Let's put the hood pins on. You get to see this car in all of its glory. Right there, boom, looks great. The definition of a true 70s muscle car, the 70 Chevelle. If you're looking for one you could drive with a big block 4-speed, it's fun, this is it. Checks all the boxes. Really cool car. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 cars in stock. If you're interested in this car or any others, please call us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the website and keep watching the YouTube channel. You are not going to want to miss a thing. Let's get the dream car that you want home in your garage, because remember, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. I hope to see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. I want to see you take this baby home. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye.